Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of July 2023 for all Taurus Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of July for all the Taurus Ascendant people. First of all, we will discuss about Sun. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Sun control your fourth house, and right now Sun is moving in your second house in the sign of Gemini, where Mercury is already moving. Sun will stay in your second house till 16th of July. Then Sun will move to your third house in the sign of Cancer. Right now, Mercury is also moving with in your second house with Sun. So right now, Mercury is in combustion state in your second house. Second house deal with your family, family lineage, family values, family history, your wealth, your saving, your speech, your food intake habits. All of these things are seen from second house. And fourth house deal with your family, your home environment, your homeland, your property related matters, your vehicles, your peace. All of these things are seen from second house. But right now Mercury is combust in your second house, means second house lord is combust. So we can expect you may have some expenditure related to your family or your home related matter or home appliance in the month of July, because your fourth house lord is combust in your second house, and second house lord is right now in combustion state with Sun. So we can expect you may have some expenses related to your home appliance or your family related matters. After 16th of July, when Sun will move to your third house, then we can expect you may have some relief related to your disturbed effect and your expenses. But you need to be very careful after 16th of July when you are dealing with your younger siblings, your cousins, and your neighbors, because you also deal with communication, and third Sun represent ego. So we can expect out of ego you may have start some argument with your siblings and your cousins. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of July for all the Taurus Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Mercury controls your second house and your fifth house. And right now, Mercury is moving in your second house, as we discussed in Sun section. Mercury is right now in combustion state. So we can expect it during this time, as we discussed previously, your second house lord is in combustion state. Also, your fifth house lord. Fifth house deal with your love relationship, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your children's, your early education. So the lord of these things is right now moving in your second house in its combustion state. So you need to be very careful regarding these matters, and when you are dealing with your children's, your love relationships, and also with your family members, because right now Mercury is in combustion state with Sun in your second house in the house of family. So we can also expect disturbing result from Mercury in the month of July for all the Taurus Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Venus is very important planet for you people, because Venus controls your first house. Venus is your ascendant lord and controls your sixth house. And right now, Ketu is moving in your sixth house from last year March 2022. Ketu create disturbance, isolation, and separation regarding the significance of houses in which Ketu is moving. So we can expect you are facing many difficulties and problems in your life till March 2022. But Ketu in sixth house give you strength to fight with your hidden enemies. So we can expect Ketu will vanish away your hidden enemies during this transit, because Ketu will stay in your sixth house till 30th October 2023. So till that you need to be take care of your health and health issues, because your sixth house also deal with health issues, and key to give you unexpected and sudden diseases when present in sixth house. So we can expect these results. But right now your sixth house and your ascendant lord is moving in your fourth house. So we can expect you may have some get together, and you may have more influence during this month of July on your family and on your mother's health and your mother relationships, because fourth house deal with your family, your property, your mother relationships, and your health and your mother's health. So we can expect during the month of July your major focus will be your home and your home environment. You may purchase some convenience or some appliance for your home, because your first house, your ascendant lord is moving in your fourth house in the house of property and convenience and appliance. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of July for all Taurus ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Moon controls your third house, and right now Moon is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Capricorn. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of July, and on the basis of 6th July we are predicting for whole month, because moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in one video for every house, so video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your birth chart easily. So whenever moon in transit moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect you may have some disturbance, issues and problem in your life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology, and moon is considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon gets influenced very easily, either it is a positivity or negativity. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving in any house near naturally malefic planet, and naturally malefic planet are such as Rahu, Ketu, Saturn and Mars. So during these days also you may feel some difficulty, issues and problems in your life, especially the problem will come from the house significance in which the moon is moving planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Mars controls your 12th house and your 7th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 4th house in the sign of Leo, where Venus is already moving. 7th house discuss with your marriage partner, your relationship in journal, your get together in journal, your meet you is seen from 7th house, your fame along with 10th house is also seen from your 7th house. 12th house deal with your isolation, spirituality, isolated places, your bedroom, your privacy, your losses, your expenses, your foreign related matter, foreign settlements also seen from your 12th house. So we can expect during the month of July. Your 12th house and your 7th house lord is right now moving in your 4th house. So we can expect, if you are trying to, if right now you are single and you are searching for marriage during the month of July, you may found some good proposal in the month of July. Second important thing is that if you are trying to move from your homeland to some foreign places during the month of July, you may have some opportunity and you may get some announcement related to your settlement in the positive manner in the month of July, because your foreign land, because your foreign settlement lord is right now moving in your homeland, means in your home. So we can expect you month of July or after the July, there are chances, if you are trying to move from your homeland after July or in the month of July, you may get the opportunity to settle abroad. So we can expect these results from Mars in the month of July for all the Taurus Ascendant people. We have four major astrological events in the month of July. Number one, as we discussed previously, Sun will move from your second house to your third house on 16th July 2023 in the sign of Cancer. Second important astrological event is that has just come in your fourth house from your third house in the sign of Leo on 7th July 2023. Third major astrological event is that Mercury will move from your second house to your fourth house on third major astrological event is that Mercury will move from your second house to your third house. Major astrological event is that Mercury from your second house will move to your fourth house, and on 25th of July Mercury will move to your fourth house in the sign of Leo. Fourth major and most important astrological event is that Venus is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your fourth house in the sign of Leo on 23rd July and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for the whole year 2023, then you can check my yearly prediction playlist and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of July 2023 for all Taurus Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.